Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 15 plus 15 is equals to 12, 16 plus 16 is equals to 14, 17 plus 17 is equals to 16. So from this pattern, 20 plus 20 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel because we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now let's take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. 15 plus 15 is 12. How? If I add the digits 1 plus 5, 6, and again 1 plus 5, 6, and now 6 plus 6 is 12. Similarly, 1 plus 6 is 7, then again 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14. Now 1 plus 7 is 8, again 1 plus 7 is 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So now 20 plus 20, that is 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So what replaces the question mark? 4. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.